Hello everyone. In Korea, the cost of living has risen significantly, so I'm often surprised every time I go grocery shopping. How about you all? So today, I'm planning to make a simple dish called Jjolmyeon at home with just vegetables. Jjolmyeon is a dish made with chewy wheat noodles mixed in a spicy and tangy sauce, often served cold with vegetables on the side. Please fill a pot with enough water to boil the noodles. Maintain the highest heat setting. I'll prepare the seasoning and ingredients while the water is boiling. You can use whatever vegetables you have in your fridge or add some extras. For example, cucumbers and lettuce are great options. Boil the bean sprouts in boiling water for 3 minutes. Do not cover the pot while boiling. After 3 minutes, remove the bean sprouts and soak them in cold water. Instead of using Jjolmyeon noodles, I'll be using pasta noodles for this recipe. Boil the noodles for 7 to 8 minutes. I didn't include any hard-to-find ingredients in the sauce. Typically, Jjolmyeon sauce includes plum extract or yuzu extract for added flavor. If you happen to have them, feel free to add them as they enhance the taste. You can review the ingredients and additional information in the More section. Please remove the bean sprouts that have been soaked in cold water and drain off the excess moisture. The noodles are cooked. I'll drain them and rinse them in cold water to cool them down. Place the vegetables on top of the noodles. Then add about 1 tablespoon of seasoning sauce and sesame oil on top and mix well. The recipe's seasoning sauce is enough for about 2 to 3 servings, so start with a small amount and adjust to taste. This dish has a tangy and spicy flavor with crisp texture of vegetables, making it perfect for hot weather as a refreshing meal.